Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can go ahead and import your reviews from AliExpress to Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now for this, you're going to be pretty much just importing the HTML code, which I'll show you how to do, or you can go ahead and use Zopi or any other apps which might integrate AliExpress to Shopify. If they have that availability to transfer the reviews, you can freely use it, and that's pretty much it. Other than that, what you're going to be using is you're going to go into the online store, go into themes, and before you do any of this, go ahead and copy the HTML code for the reviews to then add or embed into your Shopify store. Once you've selected a theme, click customize next to it, and then go ahead and add a section or a page for reviews. And once you add a section, you need to select custom liquid, and that's going to add a liquid section right over here. You can then add the liquid code over here, which will pretty much be your HTML code. And once you add it, whichever code that is that you copy out over from your AliExpress page for your reviews over here, you just add it there. Most likely you'll have to use it on a new page, and once you add it, just click save, and once that's saved, your reviews will be on your Shopify store. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.